Okay, another part. First question. When a vessel is in blank, two words answer, two words as to whether she is overtaking another, she shall assume that this is the case and act accordingly. The answer is any doubt. Wrong spelling is wrong. Okay, next one. Any subsequent alteration of the bearing between the two vessels shall not make the overtaking vessel blank within the meaning of these rules or relieve her of the duty of keeping clear of the overtaken vessel until she is finally passed and clear. The answer is a crossing vessel. That is 3 words. Next question. Rule 14 is blank. The answer is head-on situation. I remind again, wrong spelling is wrong. Another question. When two power-driven vessels are meeting on reciprocal or nearly reciprocal courses so as to involve risk of collision, each shall alter her course to blank, one word only, so that each shall pass on the port side of the other. Napakadali. The answer is starboard. Another question. Such a situation shall be deemed to exist when a vessel sees the other ahead or nearly ahead, and by night she could see the masthead lights of the other in a line or nearly in a line, and or both side lights, and by day she observes the corresponding blank of the other vessel. The answer is aspect, only one word. Next question. When a vessel is in any doubt as to whether such a situation exists, she shall assume that it blank and act accordingly. The answer is does exist. Another question. When two power-driven vessels are crossing so as to involve risk of collision, the vessel which has the other on her own starboard side shall keep out of the way and shall, if the circumstances of the case admit, avoid crossing ahead of the other vessel. The answer is... What is the answer? Okay, when you hear that question, the answer is complete. Rule 15, crossing situation. Any words missing is wrong. Another question. Every vessel which is directed to keep out of the way of another vessel shall, so far as possible, take early and substantial action to keep well clear. What is that rule? And I need complete answer. The answer is Rule 16, action by giveaway vessel. Very easy. Next question. Where one of the two vessels is to keep out of the way, the other shall keep her course and speed. What is that rule and what does it mean? I want a complete answer. The answer is Rule 17, action by stand-on vessel. Okay, the next question. The latter vessel may, however, take action to avoid collision by her maneuver alone as soon as it becomes blank to her that the vessel required to keep out of the way is not taking appropriate action in compliance with these rules. The answer is apparent. So that's what I told you before, that if the other vessel action by giveaway vessel, which is he is not take I mean she is not taking any action, this rule 17 sees it, I mean the action by stand-on vessel, it means it's not said that he will she will not do anything. As soon as it is blank to her, I mean apparent to her that the other vessel is not taking any action, so she would take the action. That's it. The answer is apparent.